Animated Christmas items. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Seven Series Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. So these items over here, the rest of the items don't have any sound on it. They light up or they change, but they have no sound. I'll see if I can put the links to some of these in the description below if you're really interested in it. All of these are from Walmart, so I'll see if I can put the links. If I find the links to all of them, I'll see if I can put them in the description below. I hope you enjoy the video. These ones are really animated. One like this one that has the camel and a moving globe. It's really nice, decorative, animated display to use. So definitely something to try if you like something like this. So these are all animated Christmas village items, and they are just all of them are mostly below $10. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share.